today we are going to make a climbing paper toy like this. Okay, so let's prepare the things that we need to make this toy. So friends, to make this toy, you need a yarn or string, an origami paper, and a glue. Okay, let's get started. First, take your origami paper or square paper and fold it into half like this. Make a triangle and then unfold and fold it one more time like this. Now we need to fold the right side and left side to the center, to the middle of the triangle like this. And one more time like this. And then we need to fold this right side outside like this, and the other one also to the outside like this. And here we have two layers of paper. Take one layer of the paper and fold it down like this, and fold the other one layer down like this, but leave a space at the end of the paper. Now turn the paper around and we will fold this side to the center of the paper like this, and do it to the other side too. So now we have our paper bag ready. Now it's time to attach the string to our paper bag. First fold the string and put it inside our paper bag, and take your glue put some glue here and make sure you hold the string and stick the paper. Don't glue the string so the string can move up and down like this, and glue the other side too. Now we can draw two eyes for our paper bag here. Now you can draw two circles and draw a little circle inside each circles. Now we are ready to play with our climbing paper toy. You can hang your paper toy on a doorknob like this. Pull your paper bag down and pull the string right and left, right, left, right, left like this, and your paper bag will climb up. Okay, thank you friends for watching and following this tutorial, and have fun!